were outside today, found out our air conditioner not working. It's a Lennox air conditioner. All we have is air blowing out of the top over here. It's not producing any cold pipes anymore. This should be coming out of the unit cold, going down into the furnace, and then the furnace giving us some cold air in the house. So let's open her up, take a look at it first. Go down here. We'll pull air disconnect, make sure it's all safe, and we'll open it up. There's a couple options. That the compressor's completely gone and it's not pumping. This unit's only about 7 years old, so hopefully not the compressor. Or we could have a hole in the line and we've lost Freon, or our capacitor's not working and burnt out and we need to get a new one. So we're going to take a look at our capacitor and source a new one. Take a look on here, we get our model number. I'll get the capacitor out, maybe get it tested. Those are about 60 bucks. It's way cheaper than getting a technician down here to fix it for you. So let's open her up. Well, we took the cover off right here. Looks like this is what we're gonna need right here. We're gonna get another one of these. And hopefully it solves our problem. Save us a lot of money. Don't need a technician down here, just need a capacitor. Before we take it apart and disconnect any wires, we're gonna take a look at and make sure we get them connected right. Purple goes here, red's in the front, yellow in the back. Now we'll take it off, bring it in, get another one that matches. Picked up the part. We got a new one here. Open her up. You can see it's a different size. We can make that work. Remember, we took a picture of the existing one and there's labels on here. We'll have to use these labels compared to the old one, and using the picture we took to get the colors of the wires in the right locations. We'll get our air conditioning up and running again. We'll make sure it's calling for air conditioning. There we go. Let's see if the air conditioner works now. Make sure we put our disconnect back in. There we go. There you go. There you have it. Replacement of a capacitor for a Lennox air conditioner. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it solves your problem too. Don't forget to like and subscribe.